Here's a little video for all of you trying to remember how to find books by Lexile using the library search catalog. After you open a web browser, and you can use Safari or Chrome, in the address bar you're going to type in elkhart.follettdestiny.com. Please type the entire thing out and don't just use one of the auto-populating sources down below it. If you get to a page like this, then you typed it in correctly. If you didn't, then try typing it in again. Notice at the top that it says elkhart.follettdestiny.com. Once you get here under elementary schools, you're going to want to click on Mary Beck Elementary School. Once you get to the Mary Beck landing site, you'll see that you're either at the home screen or you're in the catalog screen. At the top I circled catalog and home. You're going to want to switch over to the from the home screen to the catalog screen. If you had a specific book that you were searching for, you would type it in next to the word find. But for you guys, we want to change it to look under Lexile. So at the bottom where I circled reading programs and then it's choosing unlimited, we need to change it from unlimited to Lexile. So once I click on that reading programs and change it from unlimited, then we're going to want to change it over to Lexile so that you can search at your level. When you change the reading program from unlimited to Lexile, it will automatically change it so that your screen will look like this. You can either type in your exact Lexile measure, or what I would like for you to do so that you can find more books and a book that will more likely stretch you is to put in a range. So let's say I took SRI and my Lexile that came back was 350. In the first box under range, I'm going to put 350, and then I'm going to add 100 to it and put in 450. And that will help me find a good fit book that's going to stretch me as a reader. Once you change the reading program to search by Lexile, you'll notice that it will automatically auto-populate so that you can search at the exact Lexile measure, or you can search in a range. I want you to search in a range because that will give you more options and it will help you find a good stretch book. So for the range, you'll type in the first box your actual Lexile number, and in the second box you're going to type in your Lexile number plus 100. So my example Lexile is 450. So in my other box I'm going to add 100 and put 550. Another thing that you can do to help narrow down books is not just change the Lexile so that you find an appropriate book at your level, but you can also change the interest level. So if you are in 5th grade, maybe you want to put interest level from 4 to 6 like I did on this screen. And that way it takes out some of like the picture books and other things like that that maybe you're not interested in. And this way you get better choices for you as a reader. From your iPad, after you type in your Lexile range, you're just going to hit the blue button that says Go, and that will automatically search all books at your Lexile level. Okay, so I put my Lexile range in, and at the top I circled where the Lexile range shows. I also circled where it says refine your search. If at any time you need to go back and change something, then you would click that little blue saying that says refine your search. Alright, so this comes up with all of my options. It has 336 books that are in my Lexile range. Notice at the bottom I circled Aloha, which is a Junie B. Jones book, and that book will tell you where it's located in series, and it says 1 of 1 available, meaning that book is in the library. If it says 0 of 1, I don't have it, it's checked out. So just a reminder, you always want to look at the right side of the screen to make sure that the book that you want is available. If it says 1 of 1, then you're good to go. If it says 0 of 1 available, you can't check it out today, but you can come see Mrs. Walters or Mrs. Draper and we can put it on hold for you. That way, when somebody returns the book, you get first dibs on it when it comes in.